Okay guys, today I'm going to be making a Coraline doll that looks like moi, yours truly. Now, I'm not very good with clay, so I figured what an opportunity to gain some new skills and try to get better. I'm not very good with the wiring part, so of course I made my brother do it and he wasn't very happy, but of course he did. So I got this little person and he even did the hands for me, so. And I got some leftover clay. And I'm going to take foil and put it over the head, like normal people with clay do. And I found some leftover clothes that was going to get sold in the garage sale and never sold. So, I'm excited to make it. Let's get into it, shall we? That looks horrible and it's so unsturdy. Oh my god. Okay, y'all. This is the face I have. I'm so bad with clay. But I have that. I'm gonna bake it, and I have these. I'm gonna bake these too. Okay, so I have the doll done. All I gotta do is the hair. I got this for the hair, red, because there's red up here, but it's faded, and brown. And I got this for the pants, it's double-sided, and this for the shirt. And then I'm gonna go to the sewing machine and sew it all up. Okay, guys. This is the final result of the Little Me Coraline doll. And let me tell you, this was irritation at its finest. I will never be doing one of these ever again. She don't have hands because I am no clay master, and these are way too big. They look absolutely horrid. So we're just gonna yeet those over there. Yeet! And don't pay no mind to the shoes either because it's cardboard Jordans. And it did not turn out at all. I do think like the face and everything turned out, and my sewing job turned into me doing hot glue because I was irritated. And yeah, if you'd like to try one of these, go for it, but just know you're probably going to get angry in the process. And in future videos, it'll be sitting up there in my little skeleton cup, lurking over me. And that concludes today's video, so if you guys liked it, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for some more arty-farty fun.